Hello class 6, I am Seema ma'am. This is my third video on Harappan civilization. Yesterday I explained you about some of the features of the earliest cities of Harappan civilization. Today specifically I'll tell you the idea behind citadel, the great bath, storehouses or the granaries, assembly or town hall and fire altars. All the mentioned constructions were found in western area of cities which are called citadel. You may see citadel in the picture also. So let us start now. I told you in my previous video that the citadel was on the western side of the city and smaller in area. It was built on a high platform. High walls of baked bricks were built around the citadel that protected it during floods. In that citadel, only storehouses, assembly or town hall, the great bath or Mohenjo-daro fire altars were built. Possibly the ruling classes lived there. Now today I want you uh, to explain more about the great bath. Now you may see here students, this was great bath. This is in page number 26 of your book. So the great bath is found on the citadel only, and you may see this is a higher portion, western part. Their ruler, maybe they were living there, and on in that area only, in citadel area only, great bath was made. It is found on the citadel in Mohenjo-daro. This was the great bath of Mohenjo-daro and looks like a special rectangular tank. You may see here. It resembles a large swimming pool. It measures 11.88 in length and 7.01 meters in width, and it is 2.43 meters deep. There were rooms, this side rooms were there on all sides that were probably used as changing rooms means people change their clothes over there after taking bath. The bath had two openings, one at the top. The top was to let in water from a well situated nearby. The other opening was used to drain out water after use. So scholars generally agree that important people took bath in this tank on special occasions during religious ceremonies. Now our next topic is granaries. So students, granaries I want to show you. This is a pic of granary. So Mohenjo-daro, Harappa and Lothal had elaborate storehouses, students. The largest building found in Mohenjo-daro is the granary, which is 45.71 meters long. There were as many as 6 granaries. Means in Harappa only 6 granaries were found. These granaries were used for storing surplus grains near the granaries. Circular bricks platforms have been found that were probably used for threshing grains also. Now assembly or town hall, you may see here assembly or town hall was also there. So students, let us know more about it. In the citadel only, I want to show you the pic of citadel again. In this citadel only, a structure of structure measuring 69 meters long and 23.4 meters wide, uh, with walls about 1.5 meters thick, has been found in Mohenjo-daro. Means this town hall was found there. This may have been used either as an administrative block or as an assembly hall for meetings. What else we find there? Fire altars. Some cities like Kalibanga and Lothal had fire altars. These were probably places where sacrifices were performed, यानी वहाँ पे यज्ञ वगैरह किया जाता रहा होगा. And yesterday I also told you about the lower town. This was generally the eastern part of the city. It was larger but lower than the citadel. So you may see this is citadel is on the height, and the eastern part of this raised area was lower, known as lower town. So houses of the common people were generally yesterday I told you, as earlier told you, that they are 1 or 2 stories high. Rooms were built around a courtyard. The houses were separated by narrow but straight lanes, and they were made of baked bricks also, of uniform size, means of same size and good quality. Most of the houses had a separate bathroom and a kitchen and a well also. People seemed to have had comfortable living quarters. The house varied from 2 rooms to 20 rooms. Now, drainage system were also a unique feature of Harappan civilization. So, in your book it is given. This is drainage system. You may see here. This was the drain. The Harappan people had an excellent and well-planned drainage system. This proves that they paid great attention to sanitation. Means they were fond of sanitation and cleanliness. The drains in houses were connected to the street drains. The smaller drains led to into bigger ones, and you may see as the street drains ran along the streets in straight lines. Means street is also with drains. As the drain were covered, all the drain were covered earlier. Each drain had a gentle slope so that water could flow through it. They had inspection holes at regular intervals to clean them. So it was very planned, students. And one more thing I want to show you, streets of Mohenjo-daro. In Mohenjo-daro, the main street was over 800 meters long and 10 meters wide. The streets cut each other at right angles, means 90-degree angles. They had round corners to enable the heavy carts to take an easy turn. Houses were made on both sides of the street. It is likely that houses, drains and streets were planned and built at the same time. Now, after this, you may see some seals which are made of stones, and some toys are also there. So in next video I will discuss you about life of the people in the city, about the rulers, about craftspersons, scribes, merchants and traders, and crafts making and raw material, where they found all those raw material. Till then, take care.